What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So if you have been facing this kind of issue while you are trying to create a Fiverr account and you notice that they said you cannot approve your seller profile at this moment, or maybe you cannot approve your seller profile at this time. So I understand what you'll be facing right now, because if you receive that kind of message, it means you cannot sell or create a Fiverr account. And a lot of people are facing this kind of issue. Almost everyone in Africa and some countries in India, Pakistan, and thereabout. So I didn't know about some other countries, but I can tell you that people within African and India, then Pakistan, like that, they are most likely people that are facing this kind of issue whereby you cannot create a profile or create a Fiverr account, even though if you have everything ready to set up your Fiverr account. So I'm just gonna make this video more explanatory to you. So at the end of this video, you'll find a way to get an approved Fiverr account and you can start selling your service on Fiverr. Be it you're a website designer, logo designer, content writer, or app developer, trust me, you will be able to set up a professional Fiverr account probably for yourself, and then you can be able to make money with it. So these are the recent accounts that was created. So let me show you some account. So you can see this account is um was created December 2023, which is this month. This account was created 5 days ago. You can see the location is United States, and you can create account of any country of your choice that is guaranteed. So this account is created 3 days ago, and this is another one. Sorry, this is another one. Okay, this is another one, which is also United States, December 2023. So these are the samples, so you can know this is real. And trust me, once you before the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can also create this account by yourself without having any issue while creating the account. And this is another one, which is UK. You can see this was last month, November 2023, which is United Kingdom. So these are the methods which, of course, I implement that will definitely help you in creating your own account. And of course, you get approved without any issue. So all you just need to do is just like in this video, just two ways to get an approved Fiverr account. And the two methods are this. The first one, which of course it's most significant and much easier, I think, that you can just go for is uh getting this particular course that help you in creating a Fiverr account. And you can see this is the exact step you need to follow in order to create your Fiverr account. So if you have been worried about creating an account and not get approved, this will definitely help you out. You can see Fiverr account creation secret, discover my proven and tested tricks to approve any Fiverr account is in less than 24 hours. It's not even less than 24 hours. It's less than 2 hours. As long as you have kickstart creating the account. So all you just need to do is just stick around and work your way through the account creation. And at the end, you'll be able to set up a professional Fiverr account for yourself. So this is the same method that I used that worked for me, which of course I use to help people in creating different Fiverr accounts like this. You can see this account is December 2020, like I said earlier. So if you follow this same method that was shared in this course, at the end, you'll be able to create as many Fiverr accounts as you want. And the second method, which of course I also tell you, is whereby I will be the one to create the account for you. But wait, what is most important and the difference there is that this particular one, you'll be the one to create the account by yourself, but the other one, I'll be the one to create the account for you. And this course actually costs just 5,500 naira. You can see it's quite cheaper, and trust me, it's very cheap. So you don't have any reason to not be able to do it by yourself. As long as you have internet access and you have your PC with you should be able to create your own Fiverr account. And the second method is whereby you hire me to create the account for you. And if you want me to create the account for you, be it any kind of country, probably US, UK, Canada, or any country like you want, so it's gonna cost you 20,000 naira, and it will take 5 to 10 days, because I also have some other things which of course I'll be taking care of. And these are the requirements which of course you will need to follow in order to get your account for you. But then I feel like uh although I don't know what exactly you do, you might just decide that okay, you don't want to do this by yourself, you just want to hire someone to do this for you, and then all you just need to do is just to log in the account without wasting much of your time, without you being the one to run everything. So uh this will cost you, that kind of action will cost you 20,000 naira. But if you just feel like okay, I want to keep all my details private to me, my password, all my things. I want to select which niche I want to go to. So you can just go for this one whereby you really want to create the account by yourself, and that will cost you just 5,500. So I believe this is the more or easiest way to go about it. So you have nothing to worry about, and this method is definitely working, and I want you to jump on it as fast as possible. That's why I'm trying to make this video, to help anyone who is actually interested in creating a Fiverr account for themselves. So you can see the strike price is actually 20,000 naira. So if you jump on it as fast as possible, you'll be able to get it at 5,500 naira. And you can also see all the description written about the course. So you can go through it. I'm going to provide the link to this particular course in the description of this video, so you can find it so easy to get in touch on this particular course. And of course you'll be able to create your account as fast as possible. So once you jump on this course, I think it's kind of like 5 or 6 modules inside it, and it doesn't even take you much time to get in touch with it, and then finish the whole course and just jump into account creation. And trust me, under 24 hours you are done, and your Fiverr account is live just as you wanted. So this is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to reply to your comment. And if of course you want to get in touch with me regarding this particular package, so all you just need to do is just reach out to me through two guys finance official at gmail.com. So then let me know what you need, then explain in detail so we can understand what exactly you need. So that is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to provide an answer to that. Thank you.